and welcome back to Libya Water Shortages Video 3. In this video, we'll be talking about
how our physical filtration system will work and how it will filter out Libya's dirty water.
and we will also be giving an example using this filtration system and this dirty water. As you can see here, our filter has many layers, including cloth, sand, small rocks, and we will be strategically placing big rocks to properly catch small leaves and twigs. They are all very clean and will not pollute.
Now, each one of these layers has a huge part in filtering out the water. Now, as you place the big rocks in, the big rocks are going to be filtering out leaves and grasses and more twigs and sticks, while the smaller rocks are going to be filtering out smaller twigs, smaller little chunks of grass, so those don't get into the water. Then, the sand right here, that's going to be filtering out smaller like dirt particles and any small bugs that might have slipped through. And finally, the cloth right here is going to be making sure that nothing big that might have slipped through the filtration system gets into the water.
And it also holds up the rest of these layers.
Now, all the water is going to be going into here. And this
So
water
we'll dump it through the top, and it will filter through the layers and come out cleaner than before.
Right here, you can see that this is the dirty water that we will be putting through the filtration system. This contains a lot of long grasses, twigs, and there's also one big rock in there, and there's a lot of dirt at the bottom. And now our hope is to make sure that this will be as clean as possible.
Now, we created this water to be as similar to Libya's pond and swamp water as possible, which is why we included the grasses, rocks, and dirt, because that's close. But obviously we couldn't get it from Libya. So now, let's test out our filter.
As you can see here, this water is the dirt water that we have transferred into a water bottle. In this water, we have dirt, of course, and it's a very darker tint than the last one. It has pine needles at the top and many excess twigs.
Now we'll sample by putting it through our filtration system. And as we pour it in, you can see the dirty water transferring through the different layers of this bottle.
And you can see that there are small drips of water coming through that is clean water.
So first, the twigs are getting stopped by these larger rocks, and the dirt is getting stopped by the small rocks, and bacteria is getting stopped by the sand. The cloth is holding everything up and filtering it out. The filtration system takes a while, so that's why we have pre-made a bottle of filtered water, which came out like this, compared to the original water.
To prove that this is a lot cleaner than this, we have done a pH test. A pH test measures the level of acidity in water.
So as you can see here, we did lemon juice here to show how much acidity it has. The red end of the spectrum means it's really full of acid. And here we have baking soda, which is more on the alkaline end, which means less acidity. Here you can see our tap and clean water, which look almost identical, which is really good. And our dirty water falls on the lower end of the spectrum and is not in the drinking range of water to be potable.
Here, you can see that the water has already been through the filtration system.
As you can see, the water is just as clear as the water in the bottle.
And will therefore be a lot more potable for people in Libya.
That proves that these are the real results. Thanks.
We realized that there were a slight change in the results after all the pH tests dried.
As you can see, the dirty water has turned a lot dirtier than the clean and tap water. That shows that the dirty water is certainly not as clean as the other two.
Thanks for watching!
Secretly has mind reading powers and potentially mind control powers.